Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis's IC Lab, and in today's video I am doing a video idea that I've had for about a year, ever since last Halloween when I built my Lazy Man's trick-or-treating robot, which was not really a robot because it was IC, but whatever. So that I built to drive around and be able to go trick-or-treating. It had a few minor flaws. The main thing was it wasn't able to go up steps. The majority of houses have steps before their door, or a step before their door. So makes it a little difficult. And also this year I have a 3D printer, and there happens to be a global pandemic because of quarantine, social distancing and stuff. So this year I'm building the social distance trick-or-treating IC vehicle, or robot if you want to call it that, with 3D printed parts. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you're new here, comment any ideas for future projects, and enjoy the build montage. Okay, I just got back from building and driving this around, testing it, filming all that test footage you saw, and it's working great. I'm really happy with this one opposed to last year, especially since it's all 3D printed and designed by me. So I might be releasing the plans on Thingiverse, so I'll see if I get a lot of views on this video and people like it. I'll definitely be releasing them. I may also try and design some more parts because some of this, like these, are actually foam board and stuff. Because unfortunately, I ran out of time to design and 3D print everything. And another thing you may have noticed from the test footage is that there's no reverse. And the reason for that is because I only have a one-way ESC, which if I had more time, I would have gotten a two-way ESC so I could reverse. And yeah, so that was really the only issue I really ran into, which is easily fixed. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and comment ideas for future projects. So that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.